Blueair Blueair 211 Plus. This unit is about 20.5 inches tall. It's about 13 inches wide and about 13 inches deep. So it's just as wide as it is deep. The unit is a little less than 15.5 pounds. This unit features a proprietary particle filter combined with a carbon filter, and it features this fabric pre-filter around the bottom of the unit. Now, as you can see, this fabric pre-filter covers the whole bottom of the unit. What you cannot see is the fact that it covers it actually on 4 sides. And this is where the air enters into the unit. So air comes into the unit on all 4 sides. It goes past a metal grill, and then it goes through a particle filter, after which it goes to a carbon filter, in through the center of the unit where it passes past a fan. The fan is of course pulling the air in, and the fan is also pushing the air out, up and out of the top of the unit. This unit features only 3 fan speeds, and those are adjusted with this button on the front here. You hit the button, you tap it repeatedly to adjust fan speed. Again, there are 3 fan speeds, low, medium, and high. The CFM for this unit is approximately 360. This unit retails for around $250. So what do we like about this unit? Well, we definitely like the unit's energy efficiency. It has very good energy efficiency. We also like the fact that it has low noise output, especially for its size and for its CFM. It's definitely one of the more quiet air purifiers that we've tested, which says a lot for the fact that it is such a high CFM, but it still maintains that low noise output. We also really like the build quality on this unit. All materials used are very high quality, and especially compared to many other less expensive alternatives on the market, these Blueair units, especially this 211 Plus, is very well made, a highly durable unit compared to most other air purifiers on the market. Lastly, we like the warranty included with this unit. Not only is it well made and durable, but Blueair also includes a 5-year warranty with this unit. You do need to register the product with the manufacturer to actually receive that 5-year warranty, but it is a 5-year warranty nonetheless, and that is definitely a strong positive for this unit. What do we not like about this unit? Well, the pre-filter for one is somewhat problematic. It does give the user a special level of customization here. You can actually choose different color pre-filters, and so depending on which color pre-filter you choose, the unit is going to look differently. So you can customize the color of the air purifier in whichever room you use it. Now there are downsides to this, and that is the fact that it's completely visible here. So think about the air constantly being pulled into the air purifier on all 4 sides against this fabric pre-filter. What we found during testing is that a lot of larger particles, hairs, larger fibrous materials and things of that nature, they tend to stick to this fabric pre-filter on the side. And that is actually the reason why this fabric pre-filter is here. It's intended to filter out those larger particles. And the fact that it's visible is problematic because now you can actually see these larger particles sticking to the outside of the air purifier. On most other air purifiers on the market, you'll find pre-filters, but you'll find them behind a plastic grill. So the plastic grill is essentially the first line of defense against these larger particles, and then that pre-filter sits behind the grill, and it's not visible behind the grill. The fact that this fabric pre-filter is visible, it's a positive for the fact that you can change the colors here and the unit will look different depending on the color, but it's a negative in that, you know, as these larger particles collect on here, it's going to be highly visible, and that is definitely a negative for this unit. Another thing we don't like about this unit is the fact that it only comes with those 3 fan speeds. Again, you tap that button on the front of the unit to cycle through them. Most air purifiers on the market have at least 4 fan speeds. Low, medium, high, and then turbo setting. Many have 5 fan speeds, some have 6. For the fact that this unit is the price that it is, for the fact that it is as high of a CFM as it is, we definitely would have liked to see more fan speeds available. And that goes along with the general theme for this unit of lacking certain features. This unit also doesn't have a timer, so you cannot set it to a delayed start or anything like that. And that is definitely, again, for a unit in this price range, that is a feature we would have liked to see. And finally, really what gives us most concern with this unit is the fact that it does not come with a HEPA filter. The filter that's in here is actually a proprietary particle filter. And even though claimed efficiency is fairly high, we still have questions about its efficiency compared to a HEPA filter. If you buy a HEPA equipped unit, you know for sure that you're getting a standard level of filtration that is extremely high. With these Blueair units, you're dealing with proprietary air filters, and while they are very good for most particles of most sizes, There isn't nearly as much research done. There isn't nearly as much proven science behind these units as there is for a HEPA-equipped unit. Furthermore, this unit also uses ionization to aid in the filtration process, and that ionizer in here cannot be turned off. For many air purifiers, especially top-rated units that we like, these units feature a optional ionizer that can be turned on or can be turned off. And for this unit, you cannot turn the ionizer off, and that is definitely a negative for us. In comparing this unit to other top-rated units on the market, the one thing that comes to mind first is value. With this unit, you're paying quite a bit of money for the higher CFM. And the truth of the matter is that top-rated units provide very high CFM in their own right, and they do so at a much lower price. And in fact, you can actually buy 2 top-rated units for close to the price of this one unit here. And if you buy those 2 top-rated units, each at 250 CFM, you're getting a total of 500 CFM for close to the price of one unit here at 360 CFM. So in comparing this unit to top-rated units, it really is quite evident that it's a much better option to just go with the top-rated unit at 250 CFM at a lower price.